For the last lesson in the CapCut series, once you've done everything, you've got your video looking exactly how you want, it's time to publish this and share it with the world. And the way we do that is up here in the top right with the export button. Click on that and you can name it. So whatever you want. Again, the default name is going to be the date that you created this project is July 24th, 0724 as I made this. And I've already made a couple projects today, so it doubles it up, it duplicates it and puts these parentheses after it. But you can change it to whatever you want here. And then you can set where you want to save it. You can do a browse through your computer and find where this file is going to live. This edit cover, this is going to be the first frame of your video. And so this could be the cover or the thumbnail of your YouTube video or wherever this is going to end up. That's one way to do it. Personally, I don't use this option, but it's there for you if you want to. You can decide to export this as a video, or maybe if you uncheck it, you could export it as audio only by checking this one down here, and that'll export it as an MP3. And you don't really have any other choices other than choosing MP3, WAV, or what type of file that's going to be. But we're going to do a video, so let me select video again. You can choose the resolution from 480 all the way up to 4K. The bit rate, I just leave it on recommended. The codec, if you don't know what to do with this, then leave it on the default, H.264. Format, you can do move.mov or .mp4, and frame rates you can select here as well. So if you don't know with any of those, I recommend just leave it on the default. That'll be totally fine. Like YouTube, for example, can take .mov or .mp4. So either one of those will be fine for the sake of social media. Resolution, you're going to want to go as high as you can. This was shot at 1080p, so I'm going to go to 1080p. It wouldn't make sense to go higher than that in this case. So I'm going to do that, and I'll hit export. And then it gives you this export window, and it's going to take just a moment here. I'll be back when it's done. There we go. It's all done. And what you could do is now you could also publish this directly to TikTok and or YouTube, but the file is now on your computer, so you could find it on your computer with this open folder button. And there it is, it found it. And then I could then use this to post onto Facebook, onto YouTube, anywhere I want. But these options allow you to publish directly to YouTube and TikTok, and it will ask to link your account. So when you click share, it'll need to sign in, give access to your Google account in the case of YouTube, and access to your TikTok account in the case of TikTok. And then you'll be able to publish directly from here to those platforms. Thank you if you've watched this entire 13-part series. I teach video here. Mostly I teach the software called Descript, but I also teach CapCut and Canva and a few other things. And if you want tutoring on any of those, I do calls where you can book time with me, and I have a Descript course and just tons of free content here on this channel. So consider subscribing, like this video, leave your comments and questions on any video you want, and I will respond to every single one. Thanks for being here.